Technical calculation of bullish probability of the main altcoins and most promising categories. Today, July 11th, Gaming.
I am not a financial advisor and nothing you see in this video should be considered investment advice.
We will first analyze the top 40 altcoins with the highest market cap in the category, and then we will do a second analysis of low-cap altcoins with less than 10 million market cap. Let's go with the first one. We review the trend evolution compared on a 100 basis. The first 16 of these 40 altcoins are shown on the screen for each of the last 30 days. The central bar, orange, is the market cap. The blue bar is popularity, calculated based on sources such as Google Crux. And the green bar is the volume, taking the 30-day daily moving average. To the right, you can see the aggregated trend of these 40 altcoins for these three factors. Normally, crypto analysts focus only on market cap, but volume and popularity are two determining factors that must also be taken into account. We also have the fear and greed indicator of the crypto market, which we currently have with 29 points, in a state of fear. These indicators, correctly valued in each case together with the market cap, will give us a more accurate and realistic calculation. Therefore, it is essential to stay up to date with these indicators and assess them correctly in order to better project short-term trends at any given time and try to anticipate the movements of such a volatile market. Let's see now what the global trend is for the category, and then we will see which are the altcoins with the best projection right now. At this time, the immediate short-term bullish potential, or probability, for the gaming category is very low, with a valuation of 21.88 points out of 100. And on an individual level, this is the valuation calculated for each of the altcoins. We see them classified in order and by color, based on their immediate short-term bullish potential. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as Radio Kaka, which enters directly into position 19. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is Floki, which has risen 32 positions to position 6. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place we have Crown by Third Time Games, with a very low short-term bullish potential, with 35.37 points. In second place we have Nakamoto Games, with a low short-term bullish potential, with 40.3 points. And finally, in first place we have Chromia, with a low short-term bullish potential, with 44.9 points. And these are the overall results for the category, but what if we focus only on the low-cap altcoins, whose potential volatility is much higher? Let's see it. Top 30 altcoins with less than 10 million market cap of the gaming category. On the screen we see the comparative evolution, based on 100, of the first 16 of these 30 altcoins in each of the last 30 days. As in the global analysis, the central bar is the market cap, the blue bar is popularity, and the green bar is the volume. And to the right you can see the aggregated trend of these 30 altcoins for each of these three factors. Obviously, in these altcoins of such low capitalization we see a very high volatility in market cap and volume, and, therefore, this means that their immediate growth potential, both bullish and bearish, can be several multiples higher than that of the top global altcoins with much higher market caps. That said, as always, let me remind you that the risk with this type of altcoin is much higher and must be managed very responsibly. We can see that the best performing altcoin in terms of nominal return per market cap has been Octokn with a 19.7% change in the last 30 days, followed by PlayZap with 6.92% and Reality Metaverse with 0.28%. But is their short-term growth projection really the best if we take into account their trend line, volume, popularity, and market sentiment? Let's see it. At this time, the aggregated bullish, or probability, potential for these low-cap altcoins in the short term of the gaming category is very low, with a valuation of 25.51 points out of 100. On an individual level, this is the calculated valuation for each of the altcoins. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as Octokn, which enters directly into position 1. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is DeFi Land, which has risen 13 positions to position 3. And Everdome has also shown good performance, rising 11 positions to number 10. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place we have DeFi Land, with a short-term bullish potential of very low, with 36.81 points. In second place we have PlayZap, with a short-term bullish potential of low, with 44.43 points. And finally, in first place we have Octokn, with a short-term bullish potential of moderate high, with 77.51 points. And these are the results for the low-cap altcoins in the gaming category. As I always say, no one knows if a crypto will 100x or go to zero in the future, but we do have data and objective analysis as a benchmark. Don't forget to subscribe to stay ahead of the next trend changes and not miss out on future opportunities in this market. And also give me a like to support this little channel. Thank you for your support, and don't miss the next analysis.